Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Long press an empty area on your Samsung home screen to open Options and tap Home Settings. This gets you to layout controls quickly, and you do this because the launcher determines icon grid and app drawer behavior. Once done, make sure to note your current launcher name so you can revert if needed. You'll now be positioned to adjust grid size, icon shape, and drawer style without installing anything extra, so keep going to change the layout itself. You'll change the grid to control how many icons fit per row and column. Tap Home Screen Grid and pick a 4x5 or 5x6 layout depending on density you want. Then adjust icon size and shape so apps look balanced. Smaller icons fit more content, while rounded shapes can improve readability. Once the grid and icons are set, go into App Drawer Settings to choose vertical or horizontal scrolling and decide whether to show app suggestions or hide rarely used apps for a clear. You're at the finish line. Apply the new grid, rearrange your most used apps into easy positions, and consider locking the home layout if your Samsung offers that to prevent accidental changes. Once done, test by opening several apps and returning to the home screen to ensure consistency. If the layout resets or behaves oddly, check launcher permissions and confirm your chosen launcher is set as default. If problems persist, switch to a stable third-party launcher or reinstall the current launcher to restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.